This is Black Female Loving 2, and this is the blizzard of 2011, Hazel Crest, Illinois. We're all snowed in out here. As you see, we're looking at about, I'd say 30 inches of snow. I took here's a stick. Let's find the stick right here. Is that a stick or that's a plant? But anyway, as you see, we're all covered in snow out here. Daughter-in-law's car got up this morning. Old faithful young lady, 35 nurse's assistant, going to take care of the sick, trying to get out. As you see, she's stuck in the snow, and there's the Sonata, what looks like a Sonata here, all stuck. Look at the height of that snow. Well, this is undisturbed snow, so I would have to say we have at least 30 inches, because earlier we took the broom and stuck it into the snow, and you see that's covered over already. Look how deep these footprints are. Deep. There's the neighbors this morning. Look at that snow. Right. Look at the neighbors out this morning with the snowboard. This is my front yard. Wow. Guys. Well, Black Female Loving here, and let me get in back into the house here. Woo. It's cold.